Hello, everyone, and welcome. Well, now, as I read this story, please pay attention to the vocabulary and also the pronunciation as well. And you are listening to Muhammad English Podcast. In this podcast, I help you improve your pronunciation, your vocabulary, and of course, to always have the confidence that you always wanted. Now, today we have this story. It's all about the adventure of the Treasure Island. Okay. Now, this story is written by Robert Louis Stevenson, and actually, here is a detailed story about this adventure island. And I'd like you to actually pay attention to the vocabulary, pronunciation as well as I read along the way. But at the end of this video, at the end of this story, I'll be explaining a lot of vocabulary as well. Please make sure that you take away the vocabulary. So to actually improve your English even better. Now, here, first of all, the adventure of Treasure Island. The adventure of the Treasure Island. Treasure Island is the classic adventure story written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He's a detailed retelling of the story. Young Jim Hawkins lives with his parents at the small inn called Admiral Benbow. One day, a mysterious old sailor named Billy Bonds arrives and stays at the inn, which is their house. He carries a sea chest and seems frightened with other sailors. All along, strange visitors begin looking for him. After a series of frightening events, Billy Bonds dies. Jim and his mother search the sailor's chest and discover a map that shows the location of a hidden treasure once owned by the famous pirates Captain Flint. Excited by the discovery, Jim takes the map to Dr. Livesey, Square Chelwani. The three decide to organize an expedition to find a treasure. They buy a ship called his Fonnelier, and hire a crew. Among the crew is a friendly cook named Long John Silver, who has only one leg and appears helpful and trustworthy. The ship sets sail across the ocean. During the voyage, Jim accidentally overhears a secret conversation. To his shock, he learns that Long John Silver and many of the sailors are actually pirates. They planned to steal the treasure and take control of the ship once it's found. Jim secretly tells Dr. Livesey and the captain about the pirates' plan. The loyal crew prepare for danger while pretending not to know the truth. When they finally reach a treasure island, tension grows. Some sailors go ashore and Jim slips away on his own exploring the island. He meets a strange man named Ben Gunn, who has been stranded there for years. Ben Gunn reveals important information that may help Jim and his friends. Soon, a furious struggle begins between the honest sailors and the pirates. The loyal men take shelter in an old suitcase, while the pirates attack. Battles are fought. Shots are fired, and several men on both sides are injured or killed. Jim proves himself brave many times. He sneaks toward boats, gets shot loose, and even captures from the pirates. Although he often cuts without permission, his courage repeatedly helps his friends. As a search for the treasure continues, Long John Silver shows his clever and unpredictable nature. Sometimes he behaves like an enemy, and at the other times he appears almost like a friend. His character remains one of the most fascinating parts of the story. Eventually, the pirates find the place marked on the map, but the treasure is gone. Ben Gunn had discovered it years earlier and moved another location. The pirates are furious and the confusion spreads among them. With Ben Gunn helps, the loyal group recovers the treasure. They load it onto the ship and prepare to leave the island. Some pirates are left behind while the others are defeated. The survivors sail home with the treasure along. John Silver manages to escape with a small portion of the goods, disappearing before he can be punished. Jim returns home wiser and more experienced after his incredible adventure. The story ends with Jim reflecting on everything he has seen. Although the treasure brought wealth, he can never forget the danger, excitement, and mysterious of the treasure island. Well, now that's actually the story. Now let's look into the vocabulary that we have to learn, okay? Now the vocabulary here, we've got the adventure. What the meaning of adventure actually? Adventure here, we have got an exciting and sometimes dangerous experience, okay? We've got here treasure, which is basically a valuable item such as gold and money and everything, right? So we've got pirates, is the person who attacks, robs ships at sea. Sailor, the person who works on a ship. Map is a drawing that shows the places and the directions or even locations. Or even locations. And then we have got the island, the piece of land surrounded by water. Then we have got crew, the people who work on the ship. Captain, the person in charge of a ship. We've got courage, the ability to face danger without fear. Mysterious, difficult to understand or explain. Explore, to travel around, discover new places. Enemy, person who is against you. Loyal, faithful, and supportive. Escape is to get away from danger or captivity. Cave, a large natural hole in the side of the hill or mountain. Battle, a fight between a group of people. Secret, something kept hidden from others. Clever, quick to learn and understand things. Survivor is a person who remains alive after a dangerous event or dangerous situation. Well, now these are the synonyms, which it means the word that has got the same meaning but different pronunciation. Well, we've got adventure, here we've got the same meaning, journey or expedition. We've got the word courage as well, bravery or boldness. If you've got bold, that means you've got bravery, okay? Then we have got clever, which means you're smart, intelligent. If you're very clever, that means you're smart and intelligent. Mysterious means strange, enigmatic, okay? If you're an enigmatic person, that means basically you are very, very mysterious, a strange person. Then we have got treasure, which is riches or even wealth. It could be money, it could be whatever. So, guys, this is the story about the treasure.